Hey, to install and set up GBoard as a default keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, all you have to do is just to go into the Play Store, click on the search pool and type GBoard. You will have to actually download this Google keyboard on your phone. So click right here. Now just wait for this installation process. It will take around a few seconds. If it takes actually too much time, you can simply go back from this one. And as you can see right now, it was actually successfully installed. So now we have to click to enable in the settings, click on the default keyboard and switch from the Samsung into the GBoard. So from here, okay, if it doesn't work right here, but we have to just click here to enable it, click OK. And now from this we can actually switch into the GBoard. And as you can see right now, when it's finished, we can actually open like anything where we can actually get the keyboard. There we go. And now when I click on the search, I can actually get the GBoard instead of the Samsung keyboard. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.